tomorrow is moving day, and as you can tell, I am very excited. Finally moving into my apartment. I finally found the place. Whew, it wasn't easy, but I did. Okay, so I am just headed to the nail salon to get my nails done. I want to look simple, sweet, and nice, especially now that I'm starting my makeup business. Okay. Oh, the glow! Especially now that I'm starting my makeup business in Ghana, you always want your hands to look neat. Tomorrow, I would also be going out to get my makeup chair. We are kicking off 2020. We are not delaying. We aren't wasting time. We're doing it, and we're doing it as it is hot. Follow me on Instagram. I will leave my pages in the description box and on the screen. Let's go! Good morning, guys. Welcome to my moving vlog. Wow, this is super exciting. I just got to my apartment. I came very early in the morning. It's about 6, I believe, ish. That's why you can hear the birds chirping. Anyway, I'm moving in. Let me show you guys the truck. Yep. It's right there. I have 2 moving guys, the truck people who came to assist me, so that's really helpful because I sincerely can't carry all my stuff. This is the empty place. This is what we are working with. So this is the kitchen, and taking you to the bedroom. Sorry, it's a little bit dark, but this is what it looks like. So this is the room. This is what it looks like. This room is perfectly lit. I probably would make this my filming room. I don't know yet, but we'll see. So guys, just a quick one. The wig is off and I had to take off my shirt because I'm really sweating. So I'm done with the kitchen, just working on my closets. I'm done with arranging my bags. I like to pack with jute bags right here because once you're done packing, you can easily just fold it up and keep it, store it away, as opposed to when you have like actual boxes which tend to take up space. So basically I want to get out as much, like all the clothes here, so that I can empty the jute bags, and then when I'm done emptying all the clothes, I know that okay, these are my clothes, and once I start to arrange them into the wardrobe, I know that okay, I'm folding clothes and I'm arranging them. So today is Monday and I am filming again. It has been a long one, I have to admit. So I want to show you guys how far I've gone with the parlor. I've had to take several breaks and yeah, let me show you guys how far I've gone with the parlor and the kitchen. So this is what we are looking like so far. I still have a bunch of stuffs here. Setting up the table right now. I have been able to fit the chairs and the curtains. It's coming along, even though I still have a long way to go. This is going to be my filming area and I'm going to set it up later. Moving on to the kitchen, making a lot of progress. So everything is set up in the fridge. Yeah, basically. I have my foodstuffs arranged up there. You know, just basic stuffs. I have more food stuff here, and I literally just threw all my cartons up there because I can't. I've been able to set up my tabletop and the cylinder. I was able to get the wires today and set it up nicely. I'm not done with the plates. I'll get that done later. So far, that's how much I've been able to do. Hopefully by today, I'll be able to finish up with the parlor and then move on to my room and get that place arranged because it's driving me up the wall. But let's continue working. Guys, I am tired and hungry. Had anything to eat today, so I decided to whip out my kenke. Boy, moving in, packing, relocating hasn't been easy. There are mornings where I wake up and I just want to lay there. There are evenings where I wake up and my eyes are so heavy. By the evening time, I'm so tired. All I want to do is lay down and sleep, like really sleep. Okay guys, I am done with the parlor, looking all nice and neat, and now I am in the room about to take care of it. As you can see behind me, it is a hot mess, literally, like it goes all the way here. So it's a lot of work, but I have to get to it. Little by little I'll be done with it. What's up people? Today is Wednesday and I'm still unpacking and arranging. I'm feeling myself this morning. I am still on the matter. As you can see, it's about to go down. Today is the final day, I promise you guys. I'm going to be done with this room today. Yesterday I didn't touch it. I was doing other stuff, editing videos because I need to upload the video. So yesterday I got done with that. This morning it's going up. By the time you're watching this, that video would have already been up, link right here. And so I need to get to work. I need to finish up with this room. The parlor looks pristine. So this is what we are working with right now. I have already started putting in some stuff into the closet. I have started hanging up the stuff I can hang. And let me show you guys, I have arranged all my shoes. These are all the shoes I bought. I had to discard the rest because they were just taking up space. So yeah, I'm making progress guys. That is my prayer altar. I'm going to upgrade it very soon. Good morning, fam. Welcome to another day. Today is Thursday, and at long last we are done with this room and arranging this house. So I finally got finished arranging. I did that this morning, hence the little outfit change. But let me show you what the place is looking like so far. So far, this is what we have been able to come up with. Doesn't look the prettiest, but I have been able to arrange and clear the floor. What my wardrobe looks like. Hiya. This is what my wardrobe looks like at the moment. We were able to arrange the stuffs as much as possible, fold the clothes. You see this, all of this is laundry that needs to be done. Those are stuffs, clothes and some stuffs I would give away. So over here I have my comb and makeup brushes set up, a few boxes, my wipes I use for cleaning my face. The second compartment I have my makeup. This is the makeup I use personally. I reach for the most, and the brushes I reach for the most. Perfume, few essentials, you know, sunscreen, micellar water. And down here are the makeup products I use for clients. It's not very arranged, it's just in the makeup bag, so I just threw it in there. I'll get to it later. And I have my hair tools and miscellaneous sewing kits and whatnot down here. In my room right here, I have all my shoes arranged and laid out there. That's my bed. I will sort it out in a bit. That's my prayer altar. Still have my pillows on the floor because I'm trying to sort it out. But so far, so good. Been able to arrange this room. And we head on to the parlor. It's looking really good. Sorry for the echoey sound. So I just have my table arranged. Just to make it look a bit more, you know, mini office space and background, YouTube background. That is going to be the dining area. Lovely kitchen over here. Filming area over here. And voila, this is the door. So let me show you guys what it looks like from this point. This point, it looks really nice. So I just have one couch, very minimalist. I really love this space. I feel like it's very YouTube-esque. For the most part, I have really good lighting in here, and I'm very grateful for that. It's been a long one. From house hunting to finally finding a place to moving in to setting up, it has been the longest 3 weeks ever. And I'm very grateful to God and to you guys for supporting me and for watching my videos and commenting and not skipping the ads. Thank you. I sincerely appreciate it. I'm excited to give you guys more solid content now that we are settled in. It's time to work, baby. Get it 2020, baby.